Hey everyone! I'm super excited to share something special. I'm finally making my own Webtoon in 2025. And you know what? If you're a beginner, you can absolutely start too. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps I followed so you don't waste a whole year like I did. Let's go! Step 1. Get that killer story down. First things first, you need a story. If you struggle with plot or character concepts, that's totally okay. Don't stare at a blank screen. Just use an AI tool like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, or Perplexity. They're fantastic for brainstorming and outlining. Pro tip, use my prompt idea, which I'll share in the description, or create your own. But once you have that spark, that core idea, don't wait. Take action now. Step 2. Scripting and organization. Story lockdown? Great! Now, save your complete script. I highly recommend using Google Docs or a cloud-based document format. This makes sure you can access it anywhere, you never lose progress, and you won't get distracted digging through old files. Trust me, organization is key to avoiding burnout. Step 3. Pinterest for visual vibe checks. Time for the fun part, visual references. Head straight over to Pinterest and start saving the kind of vibe you want your webtoon to have. The look, the expressions, the atmosphere, and especially your main characters. Tip, create a few secret boards. One for your characters, one for backgrounds and architecture, and one for props and outfits. This becomes your visual Bible for the whole series. Step 4. Master your drawing tools. This step is important, so listen up. I wasted almost a year learning the hard way, and you don't have to. Start by hitting up YouTube tutorials. Focus on Clip Studio Paint if you're serious about professional webtoons. It has built-in features made just for this. If that feels too advanced, please go for Ibis Paint. It's super powerful and totally beginner-friendly. Other awesome options include Krita, Sketchbook, Procreate, Paint Tool Sai. Just experiment and find what feels best in your hand. Step 5. Practice drawing characters. There is no perfect way to draw. Your unique style is your superpower, but you do need a solid foundation. These are the books that genuinely accelerated my learning. Anatomy by Taco, Morpho Series, Kawaii Sensei, Freehand Figure Drawing by David H. Ross, and here are the YouTube channels that I had on loop. O Kids Art, Learn to Draw Manga, and Onina. Pro tip, follow professional webtoon creators on social media. Many share their actual process and are super active on Instagram and X, or Twitter. Seeing the behind the scenes is invaluable. Step 6. The secret to finishing, consistency. This is where most people quit. You have to be consistent. Set small, realistic deadlines. Celebrate every small win. And most importantly, showcase your work. Even little progress matters. You are building a skill and a habit. And step 7, get paid for your art. Once your webtoon is ready and meets the platform criteria, you can actually monetize your work. Imagine getting paid to draw your own stories. Platforms to start exploring. Webtoon Originals, the ultimate goal. Patreon for early access and exclusive content. KDP, Amazon Publishing. Gumroad, and Ko-fi. Final extra tip. Consume content consciously. Learn from others, but focus on your own growth. Practice daily so your hands and eyes get used to your flow. And please take breaks. Go for a walk and rest your eyes. It's tough in the beginning, but it is absolutely worth it. So be consistent. Join Discord art groups, ask for help, and don't be afraid to share your art and your story. If you found this helpful, follow me and drop your own best tips or tricks in the comments below. I want to hear them. Thank you so much for watching. Let's create something amazing together in 2025.